Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Florida. So firstly what you need to do is open any of the web browser, and in the top there's this address bar. Type down payflclerk.com, and after that you need to enter it. From here what you need to do is select your country here. So from here what you can do is you need to select your citation number or your case number, and after that you need to enter the citation number and enter the date of birth. And after that, select search here. And after that, you need to follow the on-screen instruction. You need to agree to terms and agreement, your payment, and after that, you can confirm your receipt. And you can simply save your confirmation after that. In most Florida, civil traffic citation must be resolved within 30 calendar days of the citation date. And that is it. That is how you can pay a traffic ticket online in Florida. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.